Can somebody tell me why my first honk of this year had to be in the McDonald's drive-thru? Anyway, here's what happened. I complete my order first. Watch what happens with the Wisconsin driver in the other lane alongside me with their order and when they complete it. I was first. Yep, that's right. They attempted to steal my right-of-way. When you steal somebody's right-of-way in the drive-thru, it messes up the rotation and confuses the person at the pickup window. So, please don't do this. And for other first honks of the year going all the way back to 2016, please see the link in the description or in the related video depending on what platform you're watching this video on. One more thing, excellent start to the year regarding this. Please continue to take care of yourselves on the road so we can all be alive and thrive in 25.
God, it's brutal out here.